Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Noah Kelman, aka Notart, and today I'm going to show you an awesome left hand exercise pattern that you can use to improve your left hand technique. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider clicking subscribe and turning on alerts so that you never miss any new content. I've broken this video down into 3 critical methods for mastering your left hand technique. So there are 3 different categories of improvisational styles that you need to master with your left hand. The first one is bebop/chromatic linear improv. Right? That kind of style. The second is going to be pentatonic improvisation, because this is a totally different finger technique than chromatic movements. Finally, category number 3 is being able to do arpeggiation in improv. Now, a really fun way to practice these 3 different categories of techniques is to actually start each one by practicing with your right hand first. So here's what we're going to do. First, we're going to play a linear bebop lick with our right hand, and then what we're going to do is we're going to try to do the exact same thing with the left. What you'll find is that your left hand often does not have the same capability, technique, and fingering awareness, I would say, as your right hand. So by trying to copy your right hand licks, not only are you going to increase your ability to improvise in octaves, but you're also going to give yourself lots of challenging licks for your left hand. So that lick was interesting because of the jump up to the A flat. It's a good challenge for the left hand. So that's a tricky one. Might have to find a different fingering for the left hand. That works. Now, if you want to very efficiently work on these techniques, I have a PDF available that focuses on these 3 categories of left hand challenges. It's available at jazzpianoconcepts.com/store, and it is full of pentatonic exercises, arpeggiation exercises, and of course linear and chromatic improv exercises. And the exercises will really help you master your left hand technique very quickly and efficiently. Cool guys, I hope these quick practice tips for your left hand are super helpful, and feel free to email me with any questions. As always, good luck and happy practicing.